Here I've got Apple iPhone 7, and let me show you how to change home button speed on the following device. So at the very beginning you have to locate and open the settings, then find and pick accessibility, and now you have to choose home button. Just locate it and click on the icon. Here under click speed you can change it, so let's start with default. This is how it will work once it's on default, then slow, and finally the slowest. And now just pick the preferred option and go back once it's marked. So as you can see, this is how you can smoothly and easily adjust the speed required to double or triple click the home button. Let me pick slow. And let me go back, it has been already changed, so this is how you can smoothly and easily change home button speed. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.